What's up, amigos? Today we have the aerodynamics of an assorted fruit mix. So we have a couple of cherries, we have an orange, we have an apple, and a pear. And as we go up in the z-plane, we have the velocity colored in 0 to 27 meters per second in blue to red, respectively. And the cherries were obviously, there's two cherries, so we're quite spoiled. They must have been on Noah's Ark instead of just one of each. But the cherries have a fairly small wake. But you can see the flow going through the different fruits. It sort of funnels and accelerates quite a bit before escaping. And then once it escapes, there's quite a big wake. The apple and the orange make quite big wakes. The pear, on the other hand, because it has like a streamlined back half of it, isn't too bad. It is still fairly bad when you get close to the ground. But as you move up, it sort of is not too bad compared to the other ones. And these are streamlines showing where the flow is moving through. And it's really cool. Look at the orange. The flow going around the orange dives down near the cherries and it snakes through and it pops back up after the pear. So that's really cool. The other flow going first hitting the apple, then the pear, stays at about the same height from the ground, even goes up a little bit. Then it dives down once it gets into the rear part in the aft of the pear. And now these animated streamlines show, again, how much the flow is moving around behind a lot of these fruits. So around the orange, you do have some flow going down, particularly on the flow which snakes through the rest of the fruit. But the ones on the outside, the streamlines, they almost pop up a little bit. Around the cherries, there's just a lot of chaotic motion. There's not a huge amount going on in terms of them affecting the flow. That's mainly coming from the orange and the other fruits. And then behind the pear, the flow really sucks up into it. So the flow coming from the orange goes down and then pops back up and sucks around the pear. So that's quite good. The pear's quite aerodynamic there. So in the simulation, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to make your experiments better or your CFD validation more accurate, check out the atmosphere Hawk. It accurately measures the density of air for you and it makes your experiments much more accurate, which means your CFD validation will be more accurate as well. Link in the description. Peace out, amigos.